Inventory categories allow you to organize subcategories of inventory together for accounting and reporting purposes. You can review, add, and modify your categories by going to Maintenance, Inventory, and choosing Maintain Inventory Categories. On the left, you will see a listing of your existing categories, and you can click on any listing to see details of that category to the right. Each category will be assigned a number, given a description, define its tax status, and associated with several ledger accounts for updating your bookkeeping as items are sold. If you are adding a new category, it's recommended to let AIM create the default general ledger accounts on your behalf, as this process will work with our stock general ledger setup. Even if you are not using general ledger at this time, we recommend letting AIM create these accounts just in case you opt to start using the Ledger module at some point in the future. Optionally, you can also set up the following details: a cost percentage for estimating the cost value of sales exceptions from this category, a minimum age requirement, which will ask for the customer's date of birth at point of sale. You can set default private party purchase percentages based on either cash payouts or in-store credit. You can choose whether or not to allow discounts at point of sale. If the price of the items in the category should include the tax and have it broken out at point of sale. If items in this category should be designated as media, which is useful for reporting on certain kinds of inventory such as books, CDs, DVDs, and so forth. Or if this category is no longer in use and should be marked as inactive. Lastly, you can customize the format of the sales description that will print on customer receipts for items in this category. If left blank, the main description of the inventory item will be printed, but you can use the tokens below to have AIM use different fields from the inventory record to create the receipt description. For example, if you use the tokens 1, 2, and 3 in that order, AIM will print the name of the manufacturer, the model number, and then the description of the item on the receipt. It's important to note that you must put the tokens in the double curly brackets as indicated, so AIM knows you are referencing these tokens. Any text you type in here as is will also be included on the printed receipt, as shown in this example. One last tip. If you know you will not be using a given category that came with your system by default for your industry, we recommend to mark it as inactive rather than either deleting it or renaming it. There will be one or more subcategories already attached to this category, and renaming this category still leaves all the associated subcategories unchanged. This could lead to some confusion later on.